Namaskar. I am Fatima from Just for Heart, an initiative for healthy life. Today I will be discussing about COVID care for elderly people. Why are we focusing on the special care for elderly people? Because elderly people are more vulnerable to COVID infection, and statistics have proven that the disease condition have shown a severe infection or even a deadlier one. This could be because of the following reason. Elderly people have more chronic conditions like diabetes, blood sugar, heart ailment than the younger generation. Also, due to their age, their immunity system have weakened, thus find it hard to fight against the infection. Third, the recovery is usually slower and more complicated in the elderly people. So, as a care provider or the family member, it's our first and foremost responsibility that we do not pass any infection to them. As we go out for our work and other purposes, we may bring in infection at home. So we should follow all the hygiene routine before meeting them and giving them a care. So wash your hands regularly with soap and water before and after providing care. Before cooking food and serving food, wear masks when in close contact with the elderly people. Sanitize the frequently touched areas like table, chair, doorknobs, stair rails, etc. to prevent the spread of infection. Provide freshly home-cooked food. Avoid stale foods or bringing foods from outside for the elderly people. Administer medicine on time if any, and also stock them for the emergency too. Keep the regular check on blood pressure, blood sugar and cholesterol, and try to keep them under control with proper medication and diet. Encourage the elderly person to wash their hands frequently with soap and water. Avoid touching their face frequently without washing their hands. Also, avoid unnecessary traveling of elderly people via public transport. Also, avoid visiting to the crowded places. Restrict visiting people at home because visitors may carry infection at home. And if necessary, then try to take all the precautionary measures as stated. If any family member at the home have flu-like symptoms like cough, cold and fever, isolate them to prevent the further infection. Even after taking all the precaution, and if your elderly person have flu-like symptoms, then contact your physician immediately. Avoid self-medication and home remedies to cure the infection. So these all were the physical health, pertaining to the physical health. But mental health is utmost important. Being isolated alone at home, there is a thing like their mental health have affected a lot. So as a family member and the caregiver, it's our utmost responsibility we take care of their mental health too. So try to spend some quality time with the elderly people at home. Talk to them, share their emotions, share their thoughts with them. That will make them happy. More happier they are, their immunity would be more stronger. Second, they would be missing their friends and family who stay outside because they are unable to meet them. So try to encourage them or teach them the use of technology to talk with their friends and family who stay outside. Last but not the least, provide a healthy diet which contains good amount of fiber, protein, vitamin and minerals. Try to incorporate whole grains, sprouts, pulses, milk and milk product, lean meat like chicken, fish and eggs, and nuts in their diet to improve their immunity. Also keep a track of their hydration because dehydration weakens the immunity. Try to encourage them to drink more of water or fluid in the form of soups, juice, etc. Use of herbal tea and kadhas can be done depending on the person, condition and health to boost their immunity. Also encourage them to do simple exercises like yoga, walking, stretching exercises at home to keep them fit and active. Thank you for watching the entire session. We look forward you to attend upcoming session of Healthy Life. I hope we have given you the entire guidelines for to give the care to the elderly people. If you like the session, click the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and enable the bell notification for further alerts. Namaskar.